Start every morning with exercises on this roll and then you will forget about the pain in the thoracic region forever. What are we doing? We lie down with the upper thoracic section on this roll and begin to roll. Roll the area between the shoulder blades. So we do as much as we can. You can break it down into approaches, there are 4 or 5 approaches per minute to do. Then the next exercise. We lie down in some zone on the roll, you can put a pillow under your head, you can hold your head with neck muscles. And we begin to perform such movements with our hands. Then we go down a little lower and do the same. You can also move your hands in different directions, in this way. You can also take turns and you can also do hand lifts like this. Next, we hold our head, rest a little, because the neck is numb here and repeat all these exercises. We're trying. Ms. Bychkov was with you.